Guys, I have to do this. I can't not do this. Paulo Blazano. This is gonna be real quick. Paulo Blazano posted up pictures of the finish on his Mars knife, and people have been just giving him so much shit. It's all pitted. It looks like bad heat treat or substandard metal, and he's saying that he did it on purpose, that it's an etch to get those pits. And I'm gonna show you guys some pictures. I'm just gonna leave it up there. I'm not gonna say he did or didn't do it. I'm just saying I would never accept a knife with this finish. So let's see what you guys have to think. I'm gonna post up the pictures I have of it. And then after this post, I am definitely going to post up the video that I shot it. I'm still doing some audio. I'm trying to enhance some of the audio in places on that, on the part where I'm talking with Eliza Isham and the guys from PBK and KC Knives. So, all right, yeah, but here it comes. Here it comes, guys. I'll do some voiceover of it too. All right, guys. So this is the finish that I'm looking at here. And so there's been some comments. People are asking, is that the result of a bad heat treat? Or is that just, you know, is that the finish? Paulo's response, as you can see this one right behind that thumb stud area or thumb plate area. It's really pitted. Now, some of these others, you'll be able to see it better. He's saying he etched to get those pits. He's saying that he did that intentionally. That does not look like anything. He's like, oh, so you don't like tumbled and blasted finishes, things like that. That does not look like a finish. That looks like a flaw. So, I mean, he can say it, that it's, you know, hey, you know, I did this on purpose, but that is, like, clear down. If you look, it's on the edge as well. That does not look like intentional. That looks like slipshod and poorly machined parts, poorly finished parts. In my opinion, having seen a lot of knives, I've never seen anybody try to get that look intentionally. It looks like poor steel and things like that. So I'm not calling him a liar. I'm just saying that with that finish, and then if you look at where it's been milled for that thumb plate to sit in, it's not even milled cleanly. So my point, and like I said, this is gonna go up. I still am editing the video from Blade Show today, but I'm gonna tell you that that finish looks bad. And for the fact that $30,000 of Kickstarter money, 2 years, that's the result of 2 years. I went to Blade Show. I met a bunch of really, really good people in the knife community, and that is stuff that gives everybody in the knife community a bad name, is shit like that, where you take that kind of, I don't know. I can't even fucking talk about it. I really don't. I'm at a fucking loss. But it is not skookum, to quote AVE, in my opinion. I mean, I might be wrong. He might have done it intentionally, but if you're going to do something intentionally that looks like a flaw or looks like, you know what it looks like to me? I had some bad steel. Like, I used it, and it had some shit in it, and it was like crappy steel that I used that was some scrap, and I wound up having to start over, because when you would heat treat, that's what it looked like. It would do that shit. And to say that that's intentional, I'm not saying he's a liar, but guys, I've said it before, if it looks like a duck, quack like a duck, well, motherfucker, likelihood is that it's a goddamn duck. So, not saying, just saying. Know what I'm saying?